Hello and welcome to week 14. This week you're going to be turning in your rough draft of your research paper. I put the deadline not till the following Sunday of this week, but you can turn in earlier. And I say rough draft. Don't worry about if your citations are correct. I'll take a look, and your other classmates will take a look and give you tips on that when we see your draft. I've graded one class's citation quiz. I haven't graded the other classes yet. I'll do that tonight or this week early. So don't worry too much about the citation. Just worry about what you know about the subject. If you do put them in there, be sure to say according to Smith, or Smith says, so we give some kind of an in-text citation so I know it is coming from some other source. And when it comes to writing your research paper or any paper where you use sources, no more than a third, if less, should be something from somewhere else. It should be citations. 2/3 or more should be your own writing, what you've learned about the topic from that. So keep that in mind as you're writing. You're writing a 1,000 to 1,500 word paper, which is very long when you think about it, so be aware of the limit. Take a look at the pages in the back that I mentioned in the assignment. It gives you a sample of what an APA research paper looks like. And on the first page, it shows you the title and also shows you an abstract. You're not doing an abstract. You're just doing a title page. And of course, the last page is going to be the reference page. You can try that if you want to, but as long as you list the references somehow so I can look them up, I can give you feedback, and the others can too. And I say the others because I'm going to create a discussion area where you can post. I want you to post your paper in there so others can see it, make comments on it. You don't have to make comments if you don't want to. I'm not going to grade the discussion on participation, just that you posted your first draft of your paper there. So that'll be this week too. The deadline will be this week, by this weekend. So work on that first draft. Work on looking at the others. Post it also to SafeAssign. Now, SafeAssign is not just for me to look at it. It's also, you can look at it too. It shows you, takes your paper and compares it to all of the papers. It's basically a plagiarism check, but more. It'll more or less just show you if there's something in there from something else out there that's not your writing, and show you where it came from. So it'll give you a good idea if you miss something that you didn't cite. So take a look at that when you run it through SafeAssign this week as well. Later on, we'll be sending it to the NetTutor for her comments after we look at the first draft and put it in there. So right now, we've got 3 weeks of class left. And I say 3 weeks because technically the class ends on the 16th, which is 2 weeks plus 2 days. But you can, I'm giving you till 3 extra days after the class officially ends to turn in any work. So you've got 3 full weeks. You have to have it to me at least by December the 15th, if not earlier, so I can grade it, because I think I have to have the grades posted by the 16th. I'll double check that just to make sure. So you have a few extra grace days after the class ends on the 16th to get the work done. And what you'll be doing will be the first draft. No outline. I'm not going to require that for this class. What I'd like to do, and what I suggest you do, is what I call a reverse outline. You write your rough draft, then you take your thesis statement, put it at the top of the piece of paper, and all your paragraphs, the topic sentences, you write down below it. And all those should come back and relate to your thesis. That way you know that you're on the right track and you didn't get off track somehow. So that's it for now, a little long, but if you have any questions, send me a text to my number, or send me an email, and I will talk to you later.